Did you know that something as simple as adding lemon to your water can significantly impact your health? Lemon water is more than just a refreshing drink. It has the potential to enhance your immune system, combat inflammation, and even give you radiant skin. But how can you make sure you're reaping all these benefits? It starts with understanding how to prepare lemon water correctly and avoiding common mistakes that could undermine its advantages. In this video, we'll dive into the essential do's and don'ts of incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. We'll cover the 13 most crucial mistakes people make, from dilution issues to improper storage, and explain why these errors can detract from the effectiveness of this seemingly simple drink. You'll learn how to avoid these pitfalls to maximize the benefits of lemon water and truly harness its health-promoting properties. Stay tuned until the end because, not only will we discuss these key mistakes, but we'll also reveal 2 extra bonus mistakes that are often overlooked but crucial for ensuring you get the most out of your lemon water routine. Let's get started on how to perfect your lemon water practice and transform your health with these vital tips. Starting with mistake number 1. Not diluting enough. One of the most dangerous mistakes you can make when consuming lemon water is not diluting the lemon juice sufficiently. Lemons are highly acidic, with a pH level around 2, making them more acidic than many other fruits. When lemon juice is consumed undiluted or inadequately diluted, the high acidity can lead to several health issues, particularly affecting your teeth and digestive system. The citric acid in lemons can erode tooth enamel over time. This erosion occurs because the enamel, which is the hard outer surface of the tooth, becomes weakened by acidic substances. Studies have shown that acidic beverages, including lemon juice, can lead to the gradual weakening of enamel, increasing the risk of tooth sensitivity, cavities, and other dental problems. This risk is further amplified with frequent or large quantities of lemon juice. Furthermore, undiluted lemon juice can irritate the lining of your stomach and esophagus. This irritation can worsen conditions like acid reflux or GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease. The high acidity can increase stomach acidity, leading to discomfort, heartburn, or aggravation of existing symptoms for those with gastrointestinal issues. To avoid these problems, it's recommended to dilute the juice of half a lemon in at least a full glass of water. This not only makes the drink more palatable but also reduces the acidity, making it gentler on your teeth and digestive system. By ensuring proper dilution, you can enjoy the health benefits of lemon water without the associated risks. Moving to mistake number 2. Drinking lemon water on an empty stomach. While many advocate for starting the day with a glass of lemon water, doing so on an empty stomach can be problematic for some individuals. The citric acid in lemons can irritate the stomach lining, especially for those who are prone to acid reflux, gastritis, or ulcers. Consuming lemon water first thing in the morning, when your stomach is empty, may exacerbate these conditions, leading to discomfort, heartburn, or even more severe gastrointestinal issues. For some, the acidity of lemon juice can cause a burning sensation in the stomach or esophagus. This is particularly concerning for those with existing digestive problems. If you experience any discomfort after drinking lemon water on an empty stomach, it may be better to consume it after a meal. Eating something beforehand can help buffer the acidity, reducing the risk of irritation. If you still want to enjoy lemon water in the morning, try diluting it more or drinking it at a different time of the day. Experimenting with what works best for your body can help you avoid this common mistake and enjoy the benefits of lemon water without the discomfort. Continuing with mistake number 3. Using bottled lemon juice. Using bottled lemon juice instead of fresh lemons is another dangerous mistake when preparing lemon water. Bottled lemon juice often contains preservatives, added sugars, and other chemicals that can diminish its health benefits. These additives can also contribute to inflammation, weight gain, and other health issues, negating the positive effects of lemon water. Moreover, the bottling process can lead to the degradation of essential nutrients like vitamin C. Fresh lemons contain higher levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants compared to their bottled counterparts. Studies have shown that the vitamin C content in fresh lemon juice is significantly higher than in bottled lemon juice, which can lose potency over time. For maximum health benefits, always use fresh lemons when preparing your lemon water. This ensures you're getting a pure, nutrient-rich drink without any harmful additives. Squeezing the juice directly from a fresh lemon is a simple step that can make a big difference in the quality and effectiveness of your lemon water. Moving to mistake number 4. Not washing lemons before use. Failing to wash lemons before using them in your lemon water is a serious mistake that can expose you to harmful pesticides, dirt, and bacteria. Even though you might not consume the peel directly, contaminants on the surface can easily transfer to the juice during the squeezing process. Pesticide residues on lemons are a significant concern. Studies have shown that many conventionally grown lemons are treated with pesticides that can linger on the skin. If these chemicals are ingested, they can contribute to a range of health issues, including hormone disruption, immune system impairment, and an increased risk of certain cancers. To reduce your exposure to harmful substances, it's essential to wash your lemons thoroughly before use. You can use a vegetable brush to scrub the surface or soak the lemons in a solution of water and vinegar for a few minutes. By practicing good hygiene, you can ensure that your lemon water is clean, safe, and healthy. Next, mistake number 5. Ignoring lemon zest. Ignoring the lemon zest when preparing your lemon water is a missed opportunity for additional health benefits. The zest, or outer peel, of the lemon contains a wealth of nutrients that many people overlook. Lemon zest is rich in fiber, vitamin C, and bioactive compounds like flavonoids, which have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Research has shown that the flavonoids in lemon zest can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Additionally, the fiber in the zest can support digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. To incorporate lemon zest into your lemon water, simply grate a small amount of the peel and add it to your drink. Make sure to wash the lemon thoroughly before grating to remove any pesticide residues. By including the zest, you can enhance both the flavor and nutritional value of your lemon water. Moving to mistake number 6. Drinking lemon water with acid reflux. For individuals with acid reflux or GERD, drinking lemon water can be a double-edged sword. While lemon water offers numerous health benefits, its high acidity can worsen symptoms of acid reflux, such as heartburn, chest pain, and regurgitation. The citric acid in lemons can irritate the esophagus and lower the pH of the stomach, making it easier for acid to escape into the esophagus. If you suffer from acid reflux, it's important to approach lemon water with caution. Diluting the lemon juice with more water can help reduce its acidity, making it less likely to trigger symptoms. However, if you continue to experience discomfort, it may be best to avoid lemon water altogether or consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. In some cases, switching to a less acidic citrus fruit, like oranges, may provide similar health benefits without the risk of aggravating acid reflux symptoms. By being mindful of your body's reactions, you can enjoy the benefits of lemon water without compromising your digestive health. Next, mistake number 7. Drinking pure lemon juice. Drinking pure, undiluted lemon juice is a common mistake that can lead to significant health issues, particularly for your teeth and digestive system. As mentioned earlier, lemons are highly acidic, and consuming lemon juice in its concentrated form can erode tooth enamel, leading to sensitivity and an increased risk of cavities. In addition to dental erosion, pure lemon juice can irritate the lining of your stomach and esophagus, especially if consumed on an empty stomach or in large quantities. This can lead to acid reflux, heartburn, and other gastrointestinal issues. To avoid these problems, always dilute lemon juice in water before consuming it. This not only makes the drink more palatable but also reduces the risk of tooth damage and digestive discomfort. By practicing moderation and dilution, you can safely enjoy the health benefits of lemon water. Moving to mistake number 8. Adding lemon juice too early in cooking. Adding lemon juice too early in the cooking process is a mistake that can result in the loss of essential nutrients, particularly vitamin C. Vitamin C is highly sensitive to heat and can degrade quickly when exposed to high temperatures. This means that if you add lemon juice at the beginning of cooking, you may be losing out on its health benefits. To preserve the nutritional integrity of lemon juice, it's best to add it towards the end of cooking or just before serving. This allows you to retain the maximum amount of vitamin C and other beneficial compounds. Additionally, adding lemon juice at the end of cooking can enhance the flavor of your dish, providing a fresh and vibrant taste without the risk of nutrient loss. By being mindful of when you add lemon juice during cooking, you can ensure that you're getting the full spectrum of its health benefits while also enhancing the taste of your meals. Moving to mistake number 9. Using lemons from unsanitized sources can expose you to harmful bacteria, pesticides, and other contaminants that may be present on the fruit's surface. While you might not consume the peel directly, these contaminants can easily transfer to the juice during preparation, increasing the risk of foodborne illness or exposure to toxic substances. Lemons are often treated with pesticides and wax coatings to preserve their freshness during transport and storage. If not properly washed, these chemicals can end up in your lemon water, potentially leading to health issues over time. Studies have shown that pesticide residues on fruits and vegetables can have long-term effects on health, including hormone disruption and an increased risk of cancer. To reduce your risk, it's essential to thoroughly wash lemons before use, especially if they're not organic. Using a vegetable brush to scrub the surface or soaking the lemons in a vinegar solution can help remove pesticides and bacteria, ensuring that your lemon water is clean and safe to consume. Continuing with mistake number 10. Storing lemons improperly. Improperly storing lemons can lead to a loss of freshness, flavor, and nutritional content. Many people store lemons in a bowl on the counter, where they are exposed to air and light, causing them to dry out and lose their potency. Over time, the vitamin C and other beneficial compounds in lemons can degrade, reducing the effectiveness of your lemon water. To extend the shelf life of lemons and preserve their nutritional content, it's best to store them in the refrigerator. Keeping lemons in the crisper drawer or in a sealed plastic bag can help maintain their freshness and prevent them from drying out. If you have cut lemons, wrap them in plastic wrap or store them in an airtight container to prevent spoilage. By storing lemons properly, you can ensure that they remain fresh and flavorful, maximizing the benefits of your lemon water and reducing waste. Moving to mistake number 11. Overconsumption of lemon water. Overconsumption of lemon water, despite its well-documented benefits, can lead to a range of health issues. While lemon water is praised for its high vitamin C content and digestive aid properties, drinking it in excessive amounts can have adverse effects on your health. One significant concern is the increased intake of citric acid, which can exacerbate conditions like acid reflux. The citric acid in lemons can irritate the esophagus and stomach lining, leading to heartburn, discomfort, and potentially worsening symptoms for individuals with existing gastrointestinal issues. Moreover, consuming too much lemon water can contribute to the erosion of tooth enamel. The acidic nature of lemon juice can weaken tooth enamel over time, increasing the risk of tooth sensitivity and cavities. To mitigate this risk, it's essential to dilute lemon juice properly and limit the frequency of consumption. Another potential issue is dehydration. Although lemon water is hydrating, its acidity can prompt the body to require additional water to balance out the effects of the citric acid. This can lead to a paradoxical effect where excessive lemon water intake might not be as hydrating as intended. To avoid these pitfalls, moderation is key. Drinking 1 or 2 glasses of lemon water per day is generally sufficient to enjoy its health benefits without overwhelming your system with acidity. Pay attention to your body's responses and adjust your intake accordingly. If you experience any adverse effects or discomfort, consider reducing your lemon water consumption and consulting a healthcare professional for personalized advice. By practicing moderation and remaining aware of your body's signals, you can safely enjoy the advantages of lemon water while minimizing potential negative side effects. Next, number 12. Ignoring personal health conditions. Ignoring your personal health conditions when consuming lemon water can result in serious health complications. For individuals with specific health issues, such as kidney stones or citrus allergies, lemon water may not be advisable. Lemons have a high oxalate content, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, especially in those who are prone to this condition. The oxalates can combine with calcium in the urine, forming stones that may cause pain and require medical intervention. Additionally, citrus allergies, though less common, can cause allergic reactions ranging from mild symptoms like itching and swelling to severe responses such as anaphylaxis. Those with known allergies to citrus fruits should exercise caution and consult their healthcare provider before consuming lemon water. If you have any pre-existing health conditions or are on medication, it's crucial to seek personalized advice from a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance on how lemon water might interact with your current treatment plan or health status. This precaution helps to avoid potential complications and ensures that lemon water is a beneficial addition to your diet rather than a risk. By taking into account your unique health needs and consulting with a medical expert, you can make informed decisions about incorporating lemon water into your routine while minimizing risks and optimizing your overall well-being. Moving to mistake number 13. Using lemon water as a cure-all. Relying on lemon water as a cure-all for various health issues is a common misconception that can lead to unrealistic expectations and potential disappointment. While lemon water offers several benefits, including providing a significant amount of vitamin C and aiding digestion, it is not a panacea for all health problems. This natural beverage can indeed support immune function, improve skin health, and contribute to hydration, but it should not be viewed as a miracle solution for managing serious health conditions. One critical aspect to understand is that lemon water cannot replace conventional medical treatments. For chronic conditions or complex health issues, relying solely on lemon water can divert attention from necessary medical care and evidence-based treatments. For instance, conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or severe gastrointestinal disorders require a multifaceted approach that involves medication, lifestyle modifications, and dietary adjustments beyond just consuming lemon water. Instead of seeing lemon water as a standalone remedy, it should be integrated into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle as a complementary component. A holistic approach to health involves a combination of proper medical care, a nutritious diet, regular physical activity, and mental well-being. Lemon water can enhance your daily routine by adding vitamin C and supporting digestion, but it is not a substitute for comprehensive medical care. By recognizing the limitations of lemon water and incorporating it thoughtfully into a broader health strategy, you can maximize its benefits while maintaining realistic expectations about its role in your overall well-being. This balanced perspective ensures that you make informed choices about your health, leveraging the advantages of lemon water without neglecting other essential aspects of medical and lifestyle care. And now, as you've reached mistake number 13, here's an extra bonus mistakes to help you further refine your lemon water routine. Number 14. Letting cut lemons dry out. Starting with mistake number 6. Letting cut lemons dry out can significantly affect the quality and effectiveness of your lemon water. Once a lemon is cut, its exposed surfaces are prone to oxidation, a process that causes the lemon to lose its freshness, flavor, and nutritional value. Oxidation can also lead to the lemon drying out, resulting in a less juicy and less flavorful ingredient for your lemon water. When a lemon dries out, it loses not only its juiciness but also some of its vital nutrients, including vitamin C and antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for maximizing the health benefits of lemon water. A dried-out lemon will produce a less potent drink, reducing the overall effectiveness of your lemon water in providing health benefits such as improved immune function and better digestion. To prevent this, it is crucial to store cut lemons properly. Place the cut lemon in an airtight container or wrap it tightly in plastic wrap before refrigerating. This helps preserve its moisture and minimizes exposure to air, which can accelerate oxidation. Additionally, using cut lemons as quickly as possible is advisable to ensure you're benefiting from their full nutritional potential. By taking these simple storage steps, you can maintain the freshness and flavor of your lemons, enhancing your lemon water preparation and ensuring that each glass is both refreshing and nutritious. Finally, number 15. Drinking excessively cold lemon water. Drinking excessively cold lemon water can have unintended consequences for your digestive system. While cold lemon water can be invigorating and refreshing, it may not be the best option for everyone, particularly those with sensitive digestion. Cold water can cause blood vessels to constrict, which may slow down the digestive process. This can make it more difficult for your stomach to break down food effectively, leading to symptoms such as bloating, indigestion, and discomfort. Research published in the Journal of Physiology highlights that warm water is generally more easily absorbed by the body compared to cold water. Warm water can help stimulate the digestive system, enhance digestion, and improve nutrient absorption. When consumed at a more moderate temperature, lemon water can support digestion without causing undue strain on your digestive tract. To avoid these digestive issues, consider drinking lemon water at room temperature or slightly warm. This adjustment can help facilitate smoother digestion and make the lemon water gentler on your system. Experiment with different temperatures to determine what works best for you, ensuring that you enjoy the benefits of lemon water without any discomfort. In conclusion, avoiding these 13 critical mistakes can help you maximize the benefits of lemon water and enhance your overall health. From proper dilution to ensuring freshness, each step is essential for getting the most out of this refreshing drink. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and cheers to a healthier you.